All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Before any repairs, always turn off and eliminate power to your appliance. Remove the oven from the kitchen unit or recess. Remove the screws holding the top oven panel in place and slightly unscrew the top 2 screws on the rear panel. Remove the lid, being careful of any sharp edges and corners. Then remove the remaining screws holding the rear panel in place. To remove the existing cooling fan motor, remove the top screw. Then remove the screw on either side. One side may have less room to manoeuvre, so switch to a smaller screwdriver, or if needed, remove the side panel by unscrewing the screws, similar to how we remove the rear and top panel. Slide the cooling fan motor out of the oven. Remove the 2 wiring connectors from the existing oven cooling fan motor. Unpackage your new cooling fan motor. Now connect the 2 wiring connectors as shown to your new cooling fan motor. Gently insert the new cooling fan motor into the oven. Rescrew the screws on either side and the single screw on top. Check and make sure the new cooling fan motor is tightly secured. Reattach the rear oven panel and rescrew all of the screws back in place. Then reattach the top oven panel and again rescrew all of the screws in place. And that's it, your new cooling fan motor for the oven is all set to go.